Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Sopari. Hope you are doing great, and in today's video I'll guide you on how to make money on Fiverr with minimal effort, leveraging AI tools to create eye-catching mockups that can fetch you some serious cash. Now before we get started, if you are really interested in my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description, get registered and watch the presentation. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Just imagine guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success just by creating these automated systems, as you can see on the screen. Now let's get started. If you're not familiar what is Fiverr, then it is a platform where freelancers offer services like designing, creating videos or crafting photos for clients, and even more, as you can see. So it's open to anyone, but keep in mind it's a competitive space. To stand out from this, focus on one specific skill: packaging mockups. For example, these are hot on Fiverr now and you can make good money selling them. Now take a look at some successful freelancers selling packaging mockups. Some with hundreds of reviews, they are earning really very good, and you can earn too. Now creating this might seem daunting if you're not a graphic design pro. That's where another platform like Pacora comes in handy. You know, Pacora is a website offering pre-designed packaging mockups that you can customize and sell. With over 5,000 plus templates, you are sure to find what you need. So let's check it out. However, clients on Fiverr might not be aware of platforms like Pacora, or they simply lack the time or skills to create mockups themselves. So this is where your opportunity lies. After creating your Fiverr account, you should also come to know how to create a gig. So if you want to know more about how to create a gig, you can please comment down below. I'll be creating a dedicated video for that. If not, head over to YouTube, search how to create gigs on Fiverr. So you will be coming across with lot many tutorials, so you can create one. Or else you can do one thing: search for label designs in the search bar. You'll be coming across with lot many gigs. Go across with each and every one and create a unique gig for yourself, so that it would be standing out from the others. Now after creating your Fiverr account, you should also sign up for Pacora. It's free and easy with your Gmail account. And one more thing guys, please keep a note: at the time of creating your gigs, you need some images to showcase on your gig, right? So you can make use of platforms like Freepik. So on freepik.com you can find n number of label designing already ready-made for you. So you can make use of those label designs as examples to showcase on your Fiverr gig. Or else you can head over to Pacora. Once you are signed up, you can come across with lot many templates, and also you can make use of those templates. So here, sign up for Pacora. It's free and easy with your Gmail account. Okay, so once you're done with signing up, head to the mockup section on top left corner. Here let's focus on bottle designs, and especially I'm focusing upon bottle designs for plastic cups. Okay, a quick search for bottle reveals numerous options. Having a variety ensures you can meet any client's requirement. So choose a template and you're ready to customize. For this example, I'm going across with bottle designs, the two for cups. Okay, plastic cups I'm talking about. So Pacora has its limitations in terms of template variety. As you can see on the screen, I got only few templates, so it's not looking that good. Now what I'm going to do is, to enhance your designs, use canva.com. So if you don't have any account on Canva, create a free account and search for label templates once you're done with creating your account. So Canva offers an extensive collection even with a free account. So customize your chosen template in Canva. You can find on left side, you can come across with lot many templates. So for this example, for coconut water cup, I'm going to make use of this template, and also a short label called I'm going to showcase some good information in that. So for that purpose, I'm going to select this template. So I'm going to design it with the brand name and all this stuff. Then after, I'll adjust the background, text and other elements to make it unique. So once I'm satisfied, I'll download the design to my desktop in PNG format. Now head over to Pacora, delete the original template and upload your customized design. So this extra effort ensures your mockups stand out from the competition. Now you have a unique and appealing product. So to add more versatility to your designs, Canva is a great resource. Its vast selection of label templates lets you create standout mockups. Remember, some designs on Canva are available only with a paid subscription, but there are plenty of other templates with free options, so you can make use of that. So here, keep that in mind. Customize the text, background, and overall layout to match your client's brand. So once you're satisfied, click on the share button and download the design to your desktop in PNG format. Now upload your customized design to Pacora, filling the blank space on the mockup, adjust, resize, placements and orientations to make it look perfect. Your unique design is now complete. Finally, review your design by clicking on save. So if you're satisfied, click on super export to save it. You can export it as JPEG or PNG file, or even you can create a video mockup for a more dynamic showcase, or also you can create 3D mockups. So this is an easiest way to create label designs. And keep in mind that Fiverr is competitive, so consider offering your first few mockups for absolutely free to build positive reviews. The more positive reviews you have, the higher you'll rank on Fiverr, leading to more clients. And guys, as I promised, I would also like to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free, right? So this is a bonus which I would like to give you. There are 4 different programs. The first one is Launchpad Secrets, and this program would be helping you to start your affiliate marketing journey. And finally, you'll come to learn how to make your first $1,000 as an affiliate. Then after, the second program is Get More YouTube Views Organically. This program would be helping you out to grow on YouTube with the combination of affiliate marketing to make more money. And the third one is the Stasho method. This program would be helping individuals to create their own dietary supplement brand without any inventory or without any product. You know, in the future, dietary supplement business would be rocking for sure. And last, 7 ways to get your first 5 clients. And this is for those who would like to start an agency or like to do some freelance work where they can crack a deal with minimum of $1,000 per client. Alright guys, this is the bonus I would like to give away. So to get access to this bonus, please visit the second link in the description, get registered, watch a 2 hours presentation so that one of our team member would be emailing you up with access to this complete bundle. Alright guys, and if you like to know more about my preferred method to make money, then visit the first link. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, then I request you to please like it, subscribe to my channel. Why? Because it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you get notified if I drop any new video for you. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. Until next time, happy freelancing. Meet you in my next video. Bye bye.